Let's start with an update on the Robotyne battlefield. Ukrainian military analyst Alexander Kovalenko says that wonderful things are happening south of Warthog. So, in the northeastern sector of the village of Novoprokopivka, Russian 210 motorized rifle regiment units that held the dominant heights there lost their combat capability and fled to the village. Earlier, in the area of the village of Ilchenkov, units of Russian 291 motorized rifle regiment were also allocated to the village. Of course, they were withdrawn due to the loss of combat capability, and most interestingly, in the Ilchenkova area, there is the last dominant height in the location. Then the decline into the lowlands. Is there some unexpected wave of loss of combat capability in the units of the Ministry of Defense? Or are they just expected losses? The classic loss of combat capability of a unit is when losses reach 30% of the number of personnel and equipment. At the same time, the unit is removed from the database zone for recovery. But back in 2022, the Russian command abandoned the threshold of 30%, increasing it to 60%. That means that Russian units in the sector lost more than 2/3 of their personnel. The Ukrainian military from the 92nd Separate Assault Brigade destroyed the Russian 220mm heavy flamethrower system TOS-1A Solnsepek using an FPV kamikaze drone. War looks like this. This is what Ukrainian defenders experience in the trenches on the front lines. May God bless them and protect them. Rare Russian Tornado-S system with guided 120 kilometers range rockets, allegedly firing from within Ukraine. Kadyrov complains about the sanctions, Part 2. We found the full video of Kadyrov Don complaining about the sanctions, or the sanction as he calls it, Don against his mama Don. It's translated it the way he talks Don. Yes, this is how he talks Don. It's painful, Don, but they wanted to give you the full flavor of what they had to suffer through Don. Enjoy. It's really difficult to believe that this person is the head of a republic.
Assalamu alaikum, приветствуем всех. Это опять я, опять со своим телефоном. Мне сейчас мой пресс-секретарь доложил, что якобы включили санкцию, не знаю, или как правильно сказать. Короче, мой самолет включен в санкцию. Не смешно, у меня самолета нет. И бедный один, наверное, страдает, из-за меня. Я знаю, что у американских дипломатов, руководства нет чести, совести, достоинства. После того, как они включили санкцию, мою лошадь зазоду. Ну и у них даже абсолютно человеческого ничего нет. Мою маму, говорят, включили в санкцию. Она только бедным, малоимущим, нуждающим помогает. А за что ее под санкцию ввели? Против нее ввели санкцию. Что вы за народ, Вообще вы народ или быдло, Я вам скажу одно, Вы хотите, травить нас с американцами, Я вам так скажу, Мы заберем у американцев, машины, самолеты, будем сжигать, будем беспредельничать, да. Вы нам показываете дорогу, да. Типа законным путем, да, как совершить преступление, да. Вот вы совершаете, да, преступление, да. Мы по-своему будем совершать, да. Во все эти, да, европейские, да, как я не знаю назвать их, главами государствами или там руководством министерств, там, потому что у них ничего нету слова «я». Поэтому мы свое, да, всегда возвращаем домой, да, как из Азота.
6 puppies were rescued from under the rubble of a house during a fire in Khmelnytsky region. Each life matters. State Emergency Service of Ukraine.
Давай, допомогай. Значить, добре, що побачили, хлопці. Що, все? Все? Все, ходи до нас.
A Belarusian bear has had enough of Lukashenko, the Wagner Group, and Russian domination of his country. He decided to investigate whether it's possible to cross the border fence with Lithuania and seek freedom in the EU.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.